Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 10th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. In this lesson, we're going to write a body paragraph with a diagram task. A good response includes every step of the diagram from the beginning to the end. Now let's start writing. In the initial step, cold water from a water tank is pumped 4.5 kilometers below the surface of the Earth through an injection well. Following this step, water passes through the geothermal zone where hot rocks are. This exposes water to heat. After this occurs, heated water enters the production well and is pumped back up to a condenser on the surface of the Earth. The heated water, upon entering the condenser, turns into steam. From here, steam reaches the top of the condenser and makes its way to a closed compartment that houses a turbine and a generator. In the final step, steam sets the turbine in motion. This turbine, in turn, powers a generator that produces electricity. The process is wrapped up by the electricity being transferred to a transmission tower. Now let's do the analysis. In the next lesson, we'll talk about task 2. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.